Let's take a look at modern organizational theory. Modern organizational theory differs from all previous approaches in four key respects. First, proponents of earlier approaches made quite a few assumptions that were grounded in the predominant economic or social values of the time and that perceived needs of management and labor. Second, modern organization theorists make extensive use of previously unavailable empirical research methods. Third, modern organizational theory is constructed on interdisciplinary bases, broadening the perspectives that can be developed concerning organizational behavior and the management of large, complex enterprises. In the context of modern social science, a system refers to any organized collection of parts united by prescribed interactions and designed for the accomplishment of a specific goal or a general purpose. Closed systems are simple systems that have very few internal variables and relationships among them and little or no vulnerability to forces in the external environment. Open systems theory proceeds from very different logistical premises, which many scholars argue are more appropriate to the study of contemporary organizations than the closed system theory. Open systems are seen as highly complex, interdependent, and overlapping boundaries, and characterized by an exception of change and uncertainty internally and externally. An obvious difference between open and closed systems is the way each allows external environments to impact the organization. For example, a private firm will alter its marketing priorities in response to changing consumer preferences. In these instances, those organizations inside are willing to change and their activities to meet externally imposed needs or wants. Also, because open systems continually interact with their environments, there's a constant need to balance pressures and responses, demands and resources, and worker incentives and contribution. All of this long term interest of organizational stability, which permits continued functioning by leaders, workers, and customers. Information theory is based on the view that organizations require information to prevent them from evolving to a state of chaos or randomness in their operation. Game theory addresses competition among members of an organization for gains or losses in terms of access to resources. Theory Z refers to patterns of organization and operation characteristics of many contemporary Japanese corporations. A management system developed in private industry and based on statistical process control techniques, TQM is aimed at satisfying customer expectations by continuously working across an organization to improve process. The underlying principles in systems analysis and SPC were taught by Americans recruited to assist Japanese companies in rebuilding a war torn economy following World War II. Public managers realized that performance measurement alone does not necessarily lead to quality improvement. Total quality management is based on internal regulation and worker self management, commonly known as empowerment. In public administration, quality management is communicated as an attitude that stresses customer satisfaction, improves internal processes, and empowers employees to make decisions. Organizational theories are useful in explaining many aspects of human behavior within organizations. Although they can't encompass all of the dynamics of actual operations within large and complex enterprises, they suggest a theoretical framework for understanding a wide range of internal variables related to organization design, communication, coordination, and effective leadership style.